If you've been thinking about getting an eSIM for your travels in 2025, you've probably come across Global YO. In this video, I'll give you a no-fluff review so you can decide if this is the right eSIM for your needs. Global YO positions itself as a flexible global eSIM provider, claiming to offer fast, reliable data across multiple countries. What stands out right away is the instant activation. Once you purchase a plan, you can get connected in minutes without dealing with physical SIM cards. In terms of coverage, Global YO works in over 140 countries, which is solid for frequent travelers. Whether you're hopping across Europe, Asia, or the Americas, you'll likely stay connected. Speeds are generally reliable, but keep in mind, like most eSIM providers, performance can depend on the local network partners in each country. Pricing is competitive, especially if you opt for their data-only plans. If you're a heavy data user or rely on hotspot tethering, just be sure to check the fine print on data caps and fair usage policies. Global YO is transparent about their plans, but it's always good to double-check. The app itself is clean and easy to navigate. You can manage multiple plans, top up as needed, and even get customer support through the app. However, live chat response times can vary, something to be aware of if you run into urgent issues while abroad. So is Global YO the eSIM to go for in 2025? If you're looking for a hassle-free, global eSIM with reasonable pricing and good coverage, it's a strong contender. It may not be the absolute fastest in every location, but for convenience and flexibility, it definitely delivers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. See you in the next one.